into a detailed comparison and contrast of two remarkable pieces of luggage. The luxury Tumi 19-degree International Expandable Four-Wheeled Carry-On and the Made by Design Hard Side 22.5 Carry-On Spinner Suitcase. But as of today, I can't find it on the Target page, so it might have been replaced with the Hard Side Carry-On Spinner Suitcase by Open Story. So let's get into it and give you all the information that you may need if you're interested, and both offer unique features and benefits yet cater to different needs and preferences. Let's explore these attributes from innovative technology to environmental initiatives and understand how they stand apart. First, let's talk about the exterior features.
Welcome, Sawadi, Mahaban, Namaste, Hola, Privyet, Kaiso, Konnichiwa. We're all family here, so subscribe and share and get your free ebook below in the description.
The Tumi 19-degree International Expandable Four-Wheel Carry-On is a testament to modern engineering and sustainability. Made from matte recycled polycarbonate, this piece not only boosts a sleek look, but also contributes to environmental preservation, a nod to Tumi's commitment as a 1% for the Planet member. This means Tumi collaborates with environmental partners to tackle pressing global issues, reinforcing the idea that buying this luggage is a part of a broader eco-friendly movement. In contrast, the Made by Design Hard Side Carry-On Spinner is constructed from polycarbonate and ABS, ensuring a lightweight yet durable shell. While it may not explicitly boost recycled materials, its robust design ensures longevity, indirectly supporting sustainability by reducing the need for frequent replacement. Moving on to the handle and wheels. Both pieces feature a retractable handle and spinner wheels, but the specifics vary. Tumi's carry-on includes a three-stage telescoping handle and 4 receding dual spinner wheels, providing smooth maneuverability. In addition, it has retractable top and side carry handles, making it easy to lift and carry in various situations. The handles and zippers are antimicrobial treated, although it's important to know that doesn't protect against bacteria or viruses, but helps maintain cleanliness. On the other hand, the Made by Design carry-on offers a telescoping handle and 8 swiveling wheels, which might provide slightly better stability and movement. It also features top and side handles for various carrying options. However, it lacks the antimicrobial treatment that Tumi provides. Moving into the interior features, Tumi carry-on impresses with its organizational capacity. It includes zipper pockets, a dual compact zipper pocket, and compression straps to keep your belongings secure and neatly arranged. The Tumi Tracer program is a standout feature, allowing owners to register their luggage and recover it if it is lost or stolen. The interior is also treated with PROTX2, an antimicrobial coating enhancing hygiene during travel. The Made by Design carry-on also offers practical interior features, including zippered compartments, a mesh pocket, and cross straps. These features help in organizing and compressing your clothes, making effective use of the space. While it lacks a tracer program, it's a straightforward design, ensuring ease of use and practicality. Moving on to security features. Security is paramount when traveling, and both pieces excel here. The Tumi includes an integrated TSA lock, providing peace of mind that your belongings are secure, yet accessible to TSA agents if needed. The Made by Design carry-on also features a built-in lock, ensuring your luggage remains secure during transit, so you may have to buy a lock for this one in comparisons to the built-in one. Expandable capacity. Both pieces offer expandable capacity, which is crucial for those who intend to bring back more than they left with. The Tumi's carry-on expands via a zipper, allowing for additional packing space when necessary. Similar, the Made by Design suitcase expands with a full zipper, a round closure, providing versatility for various travel needs. Moving on to charging capabilities. A modern traveler's essential is the ability to charge devices on the go. Tumi's carry-on includes a built-in USB-C charging port, supporting a fast charging up to 65 watts. This feature ensures you can keep your device powered up, a significant advantage for business travelers or anyone reliant on their gadgets. The Made by Design carry-on, however, does not include a built-in charging port, which may be a drawback for tech-savvy travelers. Weight and dimensions plays a crucial role in choosing carry-on luggage. Tumi's carry-on measures are 21.8 by 14 by 9 with an expandable depth of 11 inches and weighs 7.9 pounds. It has a capacity of 38 liters, offering an ample space without exceeding most airline carry-on restrictions. In comparison, the Made by Design carry-on measures 22.5 by 15 by 10, weighing significantly more at 50 pounds. While the dimensions are slightly larger, the considerable weight difference might be a deciding factor for travelers seeking lightweight options. Warranty and customer service are crucial when investing in luggage. Tumi offers a comprehensive 5-year product warranty, covering the original owner for manufacturing defects and providing world-class after service. This warranty reflects Tumi's confidence in their product durability and their commitment to customer satisfaction. Made by Design offers a 100% satisfaction guarantee, ensuring that customers are happy with their product. While details about specific warranty aren't provided, this satisfaction guarantee on Target's page offers a 1-year warranty. Be careful with warranties because sometimes they don't necessarily protect for everything. Check out this video here. Also, ensure that it is made with quality products, and that should ensure that you shouldn't have to rely on your warranty. I will say a noticeable difference I noticed with this luggage is you're gonna lose a lot of space because of how the wheels are put. This right here, that's a wheel. This right here is a wheel also. They also give this to you. I mean, it could end up taking up more space. I'm not entirely sure what I would put in here, but you also get another pocket right here, little zipper. You guys can see. I haven't used this bag and I'm still contemplating. It looks like right here there's some type of charging port or something. It looks like it's aligned with the luggage right here, and you also get like a code thing. I'm gonna be honest. I am a fan of my other luggage, which is the soft shell, which you've probably seen multiple times. I will give it a little cameo. It does have stuff in it, and if you've seen my prior videos, you've seen it already. Here we go. It's already packed up and whatnot with all of my essentials. I know there's some stuff in there, but I never take it out. So for the price so far, I'm not a fan. But we're gonna go ahead and put all of this stuff over in here to see if it fits. Already looking at it now, you're losing a lot of space. And for the price, I'm gonna show you rather than tell you. Lastly, Tumi's commitment to sustainability is evident through the Planet membership, where they contribute to environmental causes. This adds an extra layer of value for environmental conscious consumers. The use of recycled materials in their product further underscore the commitment. While the Made by Design carry-on does not highlight specific environmental initiatives, its durable construction promotes long-term use, indirectly supporting sustainability by reducing waste from frequent replacement. Another thing that I would say about the 1% Planet membership, it doesn't really go into showing how the money is being distributed. It's not really clearly stated or shown. All right, there we go. So it's about equivalent, but I would say I probably could have got even more stuff in the design buy bag. So we're going to put the rest of the essentials in there to see if they fit. All right, guys, this is my first time ever using this luggage. And so the other problem I have is these big pieces of steel right here that are attached to, if you can kind of see, oh, sorry, right here, the handle, it takes up a lot of space. So whereas this set perfectly fine in my other luggage, you're losing a lot of space. Okay, we're gonna move this over here like so. Yeah, guys, I hate. Okay, like this is a different bag, of course, but even this doesn't want to fit. It was a little bit deeper, as you can tell right here. It's hitting this. Oh no. Let's see if I can open the zipper to show you guys. Oh, I think it opens from this end. Another thing with this being almost a $700 bag, it's hard to get the zipper out, and this zipper has nothing attached to it. I don't know if you can see that, to actually pull on. So you actually have to like, you guys can kind of see, you have to use your fingers to actually open this, so I can show you what it looks like right here. This is what I was telling you about. This is actually stopping you from being able to put to utilize the space accurately. I've worked in product development, and with this over here, you don't have that problem. I will say this. That's because the clothes. So I should have actually flipped it. They're not exactly the same. So if I were to pack it the same way, this is sitting over here. Hold on. No. Yeah, this is sitting here. This is sitting there. Shoes are in there. So everything's in there. So we are going to try to close this up. This actually says, if you guys can see it, that they are committed to sustainability and innovation, a mission that is inspired for helping keep you safe while preserving the earth. So I would like to reiterate, I purchased both of these with my own money. This is my honest review. The green luggage I did get from a outlet marked. It's by design. I think that price is around $100 for the green one, and I only paid $40 for it. To be honest, I have not used it at all. I currently like my soft shell one, but I did fix it, so when it eventually breaks, I will be switching over to the green one. You get way more space in the green container. You do not get any electrical type of outlets. I like how the wheels kind of protrude out. It allows you to have more room to put more items in your carry-on. There's nothing like overly glamorous about it. I would say for the both of them, they're both pretty pricey. If I'm remembering correctly, my cloth luggage was like around $64, and I got that from Kohl's. You can actually find the green luggage right here at Target. I believe it might be a Target brand or whatnot. The zippers were okay on this luggage. Something different about the luggage is the actual handle button is if you can kind of see, it's actually underneath instead of on top. They're about the same height. I did get the larger luggage for the one on the left, so I'll be reviewing that one. But if I'm not mistaken, this one is around $600 to $700. Besides it having more space and being more affordable, the zipper's pretty fine. I think that's basically everything that I like about it. I have to say I'm biased. The one dislike that I have about it is I'm not sure exactly how durable the outer layer will be, how easy it will be to crack. It seems as though the one on the right, the black one, will be more sustainable and durable as well. I do believe in terms of being able to wheel around, it seems as though the one on the right, the black one, is easier, especially on carpet. There's no real glitz or glams. I mean, it's still an investment to spend $100 on the green one. I would say also I like the way the handle, if you can kind of tell, the green is wider. So that allows you to put a backpack on there and it will be able to sustain the weight of the backpack. I'm not entirely sure on the one on the right. I haven't tried it yet. So I'll show you what that looks like. So here you can kind of see how the bag is set up. It's not too much in there, but there's a spot on the backpack that you can
use so you can utilize both the carry-on as well as the personal item, which is your bag. I'll show you. Hopefully you can kind of see properly, but it would be this spot right here that you would be using to put your luggage on. So we'll go ahead and do the black part. And it seems to do well with that.
In conclusion, both the Tumi 19-degree International Expandable 4-wheel carry-on and the Made by Design hard side carry-on spinner suitcase offers impressive features tailored to different traveler needs. Tumi stands out with its environmental initiatives, advanced features with built-in charging ports and comprehensive warranties. It's ideal for those seeking a premium, tech-savvy, eco-friendly option. Meanwhile, the Made by Design carry-on provides practical versatility and durability, making it a great choice for budget-conscious travelers who prioritize functionality over advanced features. Choosing the right luggage ultimately depends on your specific travel needs and priorities. Whether you value cutting-edge technology, environmental impacts, or straightforward practicality, both options have something valuable to offer. Thank you for joining me on this comprehensive exploration on these two exceptional pieces of luggage. I do have a few suggestions that would enhance the Tumi. First, I would enhance the protection, include additional features to better protect the luggage and its content. Second, I would maximize space utilization, redesigning the interior to provide more usable space without increasing the exterior dimensions. Third, value for the price. Given the current price, which is nearly equivalent to that of the larger check bag, customers may feel that they're not getting enough value. So in conclusion, join our community by hitting that subscribe button. Don't forget to engage with us in the comments below and let us know which one you would be considering buying or what I should review next. Let's keep the conversation going, explore this topic together, and until next time, bye!